the treble clef. It's called a treble clef because it deals with the high notes of the music. This line right here is crossed 4 times by this clef, and that note is called G. So this is the G clef or the treble clef. The lines have a saying, "Every good boy does fine," or "Empty garbage before Dad flips," "Elvis's guitar broke down Friday," "Every good boy does fine," "Every good burger deserves fries." Whatever works for you to remember the note names. Once you know this, you know everything, because in between E and G, this is the alphabet, is F. B and D is C. In between D and F is E. After G, we just start over again with the letter A. So you have A, B, C, D, E, F. If you were to guess what this note is up here, after F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If you were to guess what is below E, and the saying for the spaces is F, A, C, E. So you always go, is the note a line or a space? If it has a line going through it, it's a line note. If it's in between 2 lines, it's a space note. If you want to figure out a note way up here, so this is space line, space line, space line. So you start with F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This would be a G if it was up here. Same goes for going down.